Mother Nature can be extremely hardcore throughout the year. So it comes as no surprise that roof repairs in Fort Worth, Texas are a service many homeowners need. First Texas Roofing is here for all your roofing needs before and after a storm. Thanks to our years of experience, we know what can happen when Mother Nature throws a fit and the roof takes a beating. That's why we always recommend inspecting your roof after a storm hits. And no, having your Tarrant County roof looked at after a storm is not overkill. In fact, by having roof repairs performed after a storm ravages our area, you are proactively protecting your home and your wallet. By letting us look at your roof after a storm hits, we can find any areas of your roof that need a little TLC and correct these. And then when the next storm hits, your roof is back into fighting shape and ready to step into the ring. Now, if that's not enough incentive for you, remember that a small repair now is more affordable than a larger repair later. Replacing a few shingles that have blown off due to the wind will be much cheaper than if you were to wait, and this small area becomes 25% of your roof, which will happen if damage goes unfixed. If you need roof repairs in Fort Worth, Texas, let the trusted professionals at First Texas Roofing handle it. Contact us today to get started.